So the steps to becoming a CHCP student start with going to our website and filling out an application. From there, you'll receive a call from one of our amazing admissions advisors, and they are going to get to know more about your passion, your motivation, and what you really want to do with your career. We take you on a tour of the campus so you can meet your program director, your instructors, and see our hands-on labs and really get a feel for what you'll experience here. After you've completed the tour, we do a short assessment, and then we get you to our financial aid team where they do a customized estimate for you. And once that's completed, we complete your enrollment agreement. We have what's called the Scholastic Level Exam, and it's a general knowledge assessment to see what program and placement you qualify for. You'll attend a uniform day where you pick up your scrubs and your Chromebook and your backpack, and then you'll attend orientation. And that's a great opportunity for you to meet your other classmates, to get to know your program director, and learn about our hybrid instruction model and how to access your Canvas portals. So you'll get that step-by-step walkthrough during orientation to ensure that you know and have all of your questions answered. Orientation sets students up for success by ensuring they remember where all of their classroom locations and labs are, that they have another tour, because that first day is full of excitement. What makes CHCP different from how we support our students from day one is that we care. We care from the moment we see your information come in, and as we get to know you, we want you to know that the focus is going to be on you and your success. And we don't just stop caring. We never stop caring. So from your first day till the very last day of graduation, you'll have a support team that is going to be encouraging you, motivating you, and keeping you focused on that goal and keeping that excitement you had from the very first day all the way to graduation and when you walk that stage.